there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy air fryer pizzas in just 8 minutes right in your air fryer. These are very easy to customize and make for the whole family. You can also make these gluten-free if that's a need as well. It's totally up to you. So the things you're going to need for this are a few ingredients. You'll need a pizza dough or a crust, either regular or gluten-free, pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, and then pizza toppings, whatever toppings you prefer, like pepperoni, black olives, peppers, bacon, really anything that you want to put on top of your pizza. You would want to add that in as well. Now you can use a refrigerated pizza crust, which is what I'm using here. So you can see I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the bottom of the air fryer basket. And once that is in there, I'm going to go ahead and top it with my sauce. So I'm just getting all the sauce on. And then you can either top it before you put them in, or you can put it in and top it with it in. I find it's easier just to do it with it in the air fryer. So now I'm just going to add all of my other toppings. For this one, I'm going to do pepperoni and cheese. Now you can do a crust that you make from scratch. It will work exactly the same way. You would just do the crust first with whatever recipe you're using, and then proceed with these steps. So now I've got the cheese. I'm just going to top that on there. I like mine cheesy, so I'm going to add a bunch of cheese to this. And then after this, I will go ahead and cook this in the air fryer or on air crisp in the Ninja Foodi for 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Now, if you want it a little more brown, you can add a minute or two at the end, but I do suggest you check it around 8 minutes just to be sure it doesn't overcook. All the air fryers do put off a different amount of heat, so it's always a good idea to check in on whatever you're going to be cooking. So now, as you can see, I've opened it up, and I'm going to go ahead and carefully remove and serve this. And you can add a minute or two if you want to get it a little crispier, but here it is all nice and cut. And you can see it's easy to make and it's easy to eat, and it's ready in just about 8 minutes. So this is a regular on our menu for a family pizza night. It's so easy to do, and I love that I can make different ones for each person in our family. So that is how you make an air fryer pizza in just 8 minutes, and they taste great. They come out just like the pizza shop would, and you can do it right at home. So you can actually find this recipe and more over on mommyhatescooking.com and airfryerfanatics.com. Thank you so much for joining in today. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks again.